Hello, I am Michel Renaud from FANUC France. I am a product manager for CNC division. I introduce FANUC. I am working for FANUC. FANUC is a Japanese company, and I am working for FANUC France. We have three types of product. We have the CNC controller, you have robots, and also machine. First, we have a cell for robot G-code. Robot G-code is an application to drive the robot by the CNC. And in this case, we have two controllers. We have the CNC controller and we are keeping the robot controller. And we have in the CNC, we have two paths. One path for the CNC means the two axes of the rotary table. And we have also one path for the 6 axes of the robot. And in this case, we are using the ISO code to programming a robot. Now we have also a presentation of our new CNC, FS500i-A. It's a new CNC with a new design. FANUC has completely redesigned the CNC, a very high power CNC with a new CPU, and very important to use a 5-axis machine, and also redesign all the display, all the HMI, and to more friendly and more modern for the operator. We have also introduced a new amplifier and also a new line of input and output module named Slice.io. At the end, it's another cell. It's an education cell because FANUC is working also in education development. And for that, we have created a complete cell. It's really dedicated for multi-education, electrical, mechanical, TMC designer, and also create a new HMI. We are trying to have a new opportunity and to participate of the development of Huron through also FANUC.